Hey, I got one of the Kota Doria saree in my collection. I would love to show this. This is one of my most loved saree. So here it is. This saree is mainly known for its checks pattern, which is known as cuts. So here it is. This is a blue haldi color saree with a fuchsia pink color thread work. So in this saree, the main speciality where it goes is it has the zari out here and thread work, which is beautifully crafted here with the leaves and plant. It does not have much design out here. Above the zari, here is the patterns. So the main body of the saree, it is just a plain weave known for checks pattern. I just love the color which is beautifully woven here. So this is the saree, how it looks. The main body of the saree here, as you can see, there is no much of design. It's a plain simple checks weave, and here you can see the main zari here. It is a small zari out here with a matte finish of gold, and here is the thread work. A simple thread work. Isn't it interesting for the summer? This saree is a bit translucent, but one can definitely wear a right-in skirt and it is good to go. And what is the main highlight of the saree is the pallu part. Let me show it to you guys. I purchased this saree seeing the pallu part. Here is the pallu, big two trees with the thread work. I hope you guys can see it, right? So here it is, and at the edge of the pallu they had given this pattern. It looks like honeycomb. Here it is. This can be draped for any of the, I mean to say for the blouse as well, as a patch, as a putty out here for the blouse. They can give this. So I think it matches for that. I would love to show the blouse how they are given here. So I think this part can be used for the blouse here in the hand side. So how beautifully they have weaved the saree. So this is the blouse part, and here it is the main blouse area. If someone asks me how I will stitch this blouse, I would definitely reverse this blouse like this and go ahead. Since I love to do experiments, I would love to go this side of reverse side of the blouse and stitch this. So this is how it looks like. This saree is mainly known for its checks pattern, and it is very good for summer as well, and it is very easy to drape, and pleating is easy, and maintenance, anyone can wash the saree at house. It does not have, one should definitely not brush this saree. The reason being is more of thread work is being used. This saree mainly comes with plain weave or with simple plain weave with zari, or even printed Kota Doria saree, or else thread work like this. Kota Doria saree is even called as Kota Masuria, since these sarees are woven in Mysore, and later in 17th and 18th century, it is many of the people who were weaving in Mysore, they shifted to Kota, and so it is known as Kota Doria. So Doria means thread. So from Kota, thread. So Kota Doria it is called as. I hope you guys loved my Kota Doria saree. That's it for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.